Welcome guys to Freedom Tech Solutions. Today we'll be learning about how to disable or enable sticky keys on your Windows 10 machine. So follow me and let's go right into the video. So first thing first, you go to your search bar, click on settings. Then when you click on settings, yes, you get this page. What you should look for ease of access. Click on the ease of access. Then on your left hand side, you see some icon. You scroll down and look for keyboard. Click on keyboard. Here you go. You see use sticky keys. You can also see use your device without a physical keyboard. If you want to bring out on-screen keyboard, you can just click this. But I can do another video for you on that. Like you see on-screen keyboard is up. But if you want sticky keys, you just enable sticky keys, turn it off, press one key at a time for your keyboard shortcut. So you see, allow the shortcut key to start sticky keys. Now you can press shift key 5 times to turn the sticky key on and off. So show the sticky keys on icon on the taskbar. So the sticky key can show on the icon on the taskbar. Lock the modifier key when pressed twice, enable. Turn off sticky key when two keys are pressed at the same time. Play a sound when the modifier key is pressed or released. So if I tried it to press the key, shift key 5 times to turn on sticky key on and off. Let me try and press first so you see to play sound. So you can hear the sound. So that's why you can notice it's enabled. So if I turn it off, you can hear any sound after pressing the shift key. It's gone. So like this and on, your sticky key is enabled and you can configure and control your settings of your sticky keys. So that will work fine, very well fine for you. So I'd like you to like and subscribe. I'll be doing more videos to come on using your Windows 10 and web browser. Subscribe.